Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here today, and I am next to a wall because we are doing a beginner's full body wall Pilates, all right? Super simple, super low impact, a great way to get started back into exercise. You have the support of the wall, and we're gonna work out our body. It's gonna be amazing, so let's get into it. So we are gonna be doing 3 sets. The first one where I talk you through what we're doing, proper form, explain it as I do it with you, all that good stuff. And then set number 2 and 3, less talking, more doing. We just go straight through the routine. All right, so starting with our first exercise, we're gonna do alternating heel raises. All right, so go ahead and put your hands on your nifty, sturdy little wall. Take a few steps back so that you have some, space between you and the wall, but you have your hands secure here. What we're gonna be doing is lifting one heel at a time and then alternating, all right, really fast. I want a nice straight back, okay, no curving, all right? You have the support here, so there's no excuse. You can lean on it, all right? And boom, 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 boom. Really using those calf muscles, all right, your legs, even your arms here to support you. I felt some tension here, so pretend like you're pushing against that wall. Your whole body is engaged, all right? 30 seconds on the clock, alternating heel raises, and let's go. So up, down, and you can go as slow or as fast as you feel comfortable, all right? That's the beauty of 30 seconds, all right? You go at your own pace. Breathing, very good. Woo, I feel the burn in my calves already. You should too. Such a simple exercise, but so effective. Alrighty, very good. Remember that straight back, engaged arms. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Go ahead, walk it up, straight back, roll those shoulders back, and shake it out. Awesome job. Next, we have an inner thigh lift, and I love this, doing this on the wall, because usually it's done laying down on the floor. It's very difficult to do it standing because of the whole balance thing. But with this wall, what we're gonna be doing is hands in front of you, all right? Hands on your wall. We're gonna lift your leg and bring it inside, all right? So like a leg lift, a normal leg lift would be out like that. We're doing it in. So squeezing your inner thigh, bringing it in like that, all right? There we have it, inner thigh lift. All right, so we're gonna do one side for 30 seconds and then switch it over and do the other side for 30 seconds, alrighty? Big breath, very good. Hands on your wall, 30 seconds, one side, and let's go. Squeeze. Very good, try not to look down. All right, you can look for the first few, make sure you got a good flow going, and then go ahead, lift your chin, nice straight spine, your chest is proud, your long, elegant neck. All right, shoulders pushed away from your ears, very good. Your foot is flexed as it comes up. All right, so it engages the rest of your leg a little bit more. And 3, 2, 1, and pedal those knees. Very good. Other leg. And go. Squeeze. Squeeze. Awesome job. Breathing. It's very easy to, hold your breath or forget to breathe properly when we're exercising or focusing on something, but I'm here to remind you it's very important. So go ahead. Inhale. Exhale, very good. Squeezing. And 3, 2, 1, and go ahead, pedal those knees and relax. Awesome job. Next, we have a stationary side lunges. All right, so wide stance. Have a nice wide stance like this. All right, toes facing your wall. Your feet are parallel to each other. All right, I want your hands a little bit higher, all right? Not right in front of you, a little bit higher, okay? So that when we come down, where our arms extend a little bit. So we're gonna bend one knee and go to that side, very good. And then coming up through and to the other side. All right, so middle, left, middle, right, all right? Looks like this. Go here, here. All right, we're gonna do that continuously for 30 seconds. Big breath in your starting stance, your wide stance, 30 seconds, and let's go. All right, taking your time, going as deep as you comfortably can. Remember, you have that wall for support, so use it, challenge yourself, go maybe a little bit lower and deeper than you would if you were doing it on your own. Very good, taking your time. This is a great stretch as well. We're not only working our thighs, but we're stretching our hips as well. Very good, breathe. Inhale as you come up, exhale as you go down. Very good, and 3, 2, 1, coming up, stepping in, and shaking it off. Very, very good. Last but certainly not least, we're going to turn it around, back and bum to the wall, okay? Walk out slightly, walk out, all right? So that we are sitting. We are doing a wall sit, all right? The lower you go, the harder it is, all right? So go ahead and test it out. Find a position, find a level that works for you, all right? And what we're gonna do is hold it here. Hold it here for those 30 seconds. You can have your hands on your hips, just rest them here on your thighs or even out here in front of you to get some arm workout too, okay? Alrighty, so 30 seconds on the clock. Big breath, in position, find the level that works for you, and let's go, all right? Nice, strong core. I want you to really squeeze and tuck in your tummy here, all right? Very good. Straight spine, all right? Just rest your head against the wall, look forward, and you got this. 10 more seconds, almost there. Push through your heels as well. Your weight on your feet is through your heels. That'll help. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Go ahead, put your hands on the wall, help yourself up, and celebrate. That was it. Our 4 simple exercises for our beginner walls Pilates. I hope you loved it. Take a second because we're gonna do it again. Get some water, breathe, and I'll see you in a few. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 2, you know what to do. So I zip it, we just go straight through the routine. We have our alternating heel raises, all right? Then we have our inner thigh lifts, okay? Then we have our stationary side lunges, and then ending it with a nice, strong wall sit. All right, you've got this. Big breaths. Starting with our alternating heel raises, 30 seconds, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Walk it up, walk it up. Big breath, shake it out. All right, hands right back in front of you for our inner thigh lift. 30 seconds one side, let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Come back to center. Bend those knees and switch. And 3, 1, very good. Go ahead, wide stance, our hands a little bit above. 30 seconds, stationary side lunges, let's go. Three, 2, 1. Go ahead, center, very good. Come together and turn it around for our 30-second wall sit. Find your position, big breath, and let's go. More seconds, you got this, push through, big breath. And 3, 2, 1, and come up, very good. 2 sets, done, dusted. Take a second, grab your water, and then we're gonna crush set number 3. Alrighty, set number 3, keep up the energy, you got this. Starting with our alternating heel raises, big breath, in position, and let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Walk it up, walk it up. Big breath, shake it out. All right, hands right back in front of you for our inner thigh lift. 30 seconds one side, let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Come back to center. Bend those knees and switch. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Go ahead. Wide stance. Our hands a little bit above. 30 seconds. Stationary side lunges. Let's go. Three, 2, 1. Go ahead, center, very good. Come together and turn it around for our 30-second wall sit. Find your position, big breath, and let's go. more seconds. You got this. Push through. Big breath. And 3, 2, 1. And come up. Very good. And that was it. 3 sets of your beginners full body wall Pilates. I hope you loved it. Let us know in the comments below what you think, what you thought, what you would like to see more of, all right? And then don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell. That lets you know when we post, because I can't wait to see you on the next one.